love the snow. And I'm feeling a bit more festive. But I have a dilemma. Oh, I'm struggling so much. I wanted to get you involved with these videos. It's really snowing today. A big storm. Let's go to the forest. No squirrels yet. Hello. Here you go, look. Here you go. Oh, big hazelnut for you. Hi. That's a great spot for today. Morning, Sylvie. Good morning from a snowy and windy squirrel forest, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. So this morning we've already had Rusty, Buddy and Sylvie. And there's a couple of other squirrels around who, I'm not sure who they are. They haven't eaten yet. Oh, this is a new squirrel. Oh, Sylvie's coming. One or two great tits now have the confidence to come and feed from my hand. And I think they're older great tits and they don't like to be too involved with the chaos of the other birds. My hand is getting cold if you want food. Can we do this quickly? There's like 5 squirrels around, but they're quite busy chasing each other, so no one's really sitting down to eat. Oh, it's windy. Sylvie is here now. Oh yes, that looks lovely. Lovely! Buddy! Are you over there? How did you get over there? Speedy squirrel! That wind! Ah! Oh, that's bitter. Let's do a thumbnail. The hair is a mess. Oh my god. Awkward thumbnail, awkward thumbnail. I'm fine with like any temperature until there is wind. Then it is so cold and it's very windy. It is so beautiful, but it is time to go home. I've been here 2 hours and I'm a bit hungry. I need a coffee and I need to warm up. It's so nice. I love the snow. Okay, let's go. Look how much snow is on my bag. So for lunch I have made a pasta salad with roasted walnuts, and then I made a vegan aioli, which was silken tofu, sesame seeds, lemon, salt and olive oil. We love aioli, but we get a lot of stomach acid after we eat it, so this is like a healthy, high protein version, and I think it's okay. It doesn't taste as greasy. Anyway, I'll dig in. Hello, good morning. How are you? You're very snowy. I love your footprints. So I've done a little bit of decorating and I'm feeling a bit more festive, but I have a dilemma. I want to bring the Christmas tree in. We have 2 outside, and since it's below 0, they won't lose the needles, but I know as soon as I bring it into the house, it's going to start losing the needles, and it's still quite a few days until Christmas, and I don't want to have a dead tree on Christmas Day. I want the proper tree up. I usually switch off the heating in this room when the tree is in here, and then it's more cozy to have a nice blanket and watch TV, and then the tree doesn't lose the needles as quickly. I always put water into the base of the tree holder. Do you have any advice? What can I do to stop the needles falling off? Really?
Yeah.
No, it's fine, don't worry. Give them a wiggle. I can't be bothered to put up my tripod, but I'm going to make gingerbread cookies. I have some very adorable cookie cutters, Christmas tree, and someone actually posted me a squirrel cookie cutter. So I'm gonna make squirrel gingerbread cookies. So cute. Oh, I literally just have well, I need to have 120, I have 116. I keep having to remind myself that when I'm doing Vlogmas, I don't need to say everything perfectly, and the whole point of it is just to be more relaxed and just film whatever and not be so focused on it being cinematic constantly. Yeah, I'm still like fiddling with lights and trying to make it perfect, and maybe by the end of Vlogmas it'll be very relaxed and casual. I am currently melting sugar, and then I'm going to make the dough for the gingerbread, and then it has to cool for I think an hour in the fridge. and then I roll it out, cut it, and bake. I'm struggling so much. I don't know why it's not forming a proper dough. It's getting better, but it was too wet, so I had to add like 50 grams more flour. I think when it sets in the fridge it will be better. I'm just about to sign off, but I just wanted to say a massive thank you for all the comments on Vlogmas Day 1. I uploaded a few hours ago and I've been reading the comments, and it's definitely very motivating to do this. Filming and uploading 24 videos in a month is almost what I upload in a year, and I almost didn't do this because I found it too daunting, but now that I've done 2 days and I've just finished the edit for today, I feel confident I can still make the videos I want to make in terms of it being cinematic, visually very nice, with nice music and some fun edits, and not just be talking bits throughout the video. The main reason I'm doing Vlogmas is really for you. The past year and a half, I've realised the power of community, and I have found I want to focus on my core audience, and I'm less interested in creating viral content. I want to create the content I want to make, but also I want to make what my core audience wants to see. And since there is a community spirit, I wanted to get you involved with these videos. And so I've asked my patrons for voice notes, and you can send me a voice note and I'll feature them at the end of the videos. These can be uplifting stories, or maybe something that's happened this year, or something you've learnt, or a story about squirrels or wildlife, or maybe something Christmas related. This is just an opportunity to hear your voice. So please go to my Patreon. It's a free post, it's public. Leave me a voice note. I will feature different voice notes from you throughout Vlogmas. Okay, I want to try and go to bed before 11. It's 10:30, so I'm gonna edit this and I'm going to upload this video for my patrons. Good night and see you tomorrow.
It's winter here in Ontario, Canada, and every morning at 5 a.m. I get out of bed, my cozy bed, come downstairs, get my outdoor gear on, head outside to prep the backyard bistro for all my wildlife friends who come visit me in the morning. I make sure all the snow is off the deck and off the bird feeders. I stock all the bird feeders with fresh food. Make sure there's fresh water in the heated bird baths. My squirrel boxes, which are feed boxes, are full of nuts and seeds and berries, and it's a delight for them. So once all that is done, I come back inside, make myself a nice cup of coffee, and watch the sunrise, and wait for all my little friends to arrive. That's my morning routine in the winter. Everyone, have yourself a wonderful holiday season and a happy new year. Love, Carm Mackenzie.